Similar to the previous question, we're asked here to find the limit of as x approaches 6 of 7 minus root 55 minus x over x minus 6. So first we always try direct substitution. We say the limit as x approaches 6 of 7 minus root 55 minus x over x minus 6. That approaches 7 minus the root of 55 minus 6 over 6 minus 6. Now the denominator is going to be 0. 7 minus the root of 49, which is 7, so equals 7 minus 7 over 0, which is 0 over 0. Okay, bad news. And so, since we know that this is not possible, we can't have 0 over 0, we're going to cross it off. It's not true. That limit does not equal 0 over 0, so we're just going to cross off that section. But what we do know is because of L'Hopital's rule, we can find the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator, and then we can find the limit. So now we can say this equals the limit as x approaches 6 of, and the derivative of the numerator, it's going to be negative, and I'm applying, well actually I'm going to do that on the side. We're going to find the derivative of, 7 minus root 55 minus x. We know that that 7 is going to go away when we find the derivative because the derivative of a constant is 0. But negative root 55x, I'm going to rewrite this like that, and then we're going to apply the chain rule. Negative 1/2 55 minus x to the power of negative 1/2 times the derivative of the inside, which is negative 1. So this will end up giving us 1/2 times 55 minus x to the negative 1/2, or 1 over, and I'm going to keep writing equals, so I don't know why I forgot that, equals 1 over 2 root of 55 minus x. All right, and the derivative of the bottom, x minus 6, that derivative is just 1. So we can rewrite this equals the limit as x approaches 6 of 1 over 2 root 55 minus x. That's all going to be over 1, but since it's over 1, we can just, that is dividing by 1, doesn't change anything. And now we can plug in by direct substitution 1 over 2 root 55 minus 6, which is 1 over 2 times the root of 49, which should equal 1 over 14, because root of 49 is 7. And so we see that the limit as x approaches 6 of this function will be 1 over 14, thanks to L'Hopital's rule.